Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your recently used applications on your Amazon Fire TV. And you can do this two different ways. So on the home screen here, if we go to the home button and scroll down, we can see our recently used applications right here. And also, if we want to remove an application from this list, we can press the button with the three lines on it, and we can go to remove from recent right here. Then also, there is a button right next to Netflix on our remote. We can press this, and it's like two boxes, and if we press this, we can go to the recent apps or whatever we've used last, just our recents in general. So we can like see HDMI 1, HDMI 4 in here as well, and what we were watching on TV live. So just press this button. It's called the switcher, I believe, or recent, and we can go back and forth between the two screens. Let's go back to home screen. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.